Hi, it's Timo. In the introductory video, I presented Laura's professional background and her career goal of becoming a talent acquisition manager. Next, let's use ChatGPT to create a job search plan for Laura. First, I'll give AI a role, and I have these pre-made prompts and texts here. So the role is, you're an experienced career coach, do you understand? Enter. Next, I'll feed it Laura's resume that I have here handy. Here. Copy paste, enter, and included in the prompt was the prompt to create a job search plan for Laura. When I say go, and here's my final prompt for the video. Her goal is to become a talent acquisition manager, Finnish company based in Finland. Create a specific and detailed job search goal for her. And go. And now ChatGPT started to create actually a very good looking concrete job hunting plan for Laura. And the plan, let's take a look at the plan. Job search goal, talent acquisition manager as agreed. Steps: first, market research; second, networking; third, skill enhancement; fourth, resume LinkedIn optimization; fifth, application strategy; sixth, interview preparation; seven, follow-up and feedback; eight, regular review and adaptation. It even included timeline, metrics for success. And AI says this plan is designed to be dynamic, allow Laura to adjust her strategies based on the job market and progress. So let me take a look. It looks good. Yeah. Okay. I'll just that. Thank you. You may want to always be polite. With ChatGPT, it will give you better results that way. So thank you. Please add the following steps. Use LinkedIn in job searching, or actually effectively use LinkedIn in job searching, and let's see. A strategy to tap into the hidden job market, and enter. Suddenly it says, okay, update it. Job search plan for Laura. Now I've added effective LinkedIn use, and it That's tapping into the hidden job market. Profile optimization, content share, etc. And tapping into the hidden job market, information interviews, industry events, referrals, started, updated time. Okay, nice success metrics. It even updated the success metrics, and it finally says, by incorporating these steps, Laura can maximize her visibility and chance of finding opportunities that align with her career goals, including those in the hidden job market. Great job. I'll give it thumbs up, positive feedback. All right. Looks good. Specific, concrete, and I'll save the job hunting plan for our future reference. In the next video, we'll continue using ChatGPT to implement Laura's job search plan. Thanks for watching.